Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to use the Orange HRMM mobile app. First, add the instance URL here and tap on Continue. Now enter your username and password and log into the system. For this demo, we will show you how to apply for leave, check your leave usage, and check leave calendar using the Orange HRMM mobile app. Go to the menu and select Apply under the Leave section. Or choose to apply leave from the dashboard by clicking here. You can select the leave type you wish to use. Enter the dates and define if you need a full day or half-day leave. If you wish to add any comments, you can add them here, then select Apply. Your leave request has been successfully submitted. To check your leave balance, go to My Leave Usage. There you can view the available leaves, total entitlements, and the leaves used within the entitlement period. The leave calendar shows the employees who are leave on the selected date. These are a few actions you can perform using the Orange HRMM mobile app.